Hey guys, what's up? So in this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to modify this origami flicker that I taught right here into a donut flicker. Check this out. See? So remember this flicker right here? This is the pie or pizza flicker that I taught. And yeah, so I made a way to turn into a donut flicker. And this flies off, and check this out. Oh yeah. Ooh. Okay, so first you need to fold this model, so here's the video for that. Okay, so to turn it into the donut, here's what we're going to do. And believe it or not, this right here, this is actually the same one I did in the tutorial. Okay, so now I'm going to turn it into a donut. So what we're going to do is pick a flap, it doesn't matter which one. So we're going to take this interior flap right here, and we're going to fold it, and we're going to fold it to that intersection right there, so where these two creases right here meet, so right there. So we're folding underneath the layer, and then make sure that this white line right here aligns with this edge. That's how you know you're perfect. Okay, just like that. Increase that sharply. Alright, now rotate like this, and now notice right here, there's no intersection right there, but there is a guide mark for this one, so this one's a little bit different, but we're going to fold it up, and we're folding this one up a little bit further, and this one we're going to fold it up and make sure that white line, or yeah, that white part, that edge, aligns with this edge, and we're going to fold right on that point right there. Alright, just like that. Increase that sharp. Alright, now here, there's an intersection, so fold the interior point to that intersection. Like that. Alright, now this one again. There's no intersection, but we're going to fold it right on that point. Make sure the edges align right there in the middle. Okay, and now just keep doing that. Alright, so this is what it looks like right here. And this is a cool little donut flicker. And this might fly okay, but it looks kind of funky right here because of all these flaps. So to make it look a lot more clean looking like this, then this is what we're going to do. So I'm going to start with this flap. So unfold that, and we're going to tuck it inside. So we're mountain folding on that existing crease. Okay, just like that. Alright, now let's go to the next one. So right here, unfold it like that, and same thing, tuck it inside. And we're gonna do this. We're gonna do that to all of them. And here we go. Alright, and now just crease everything sharply, like this. Particles all over the table. Okay, so yep, there it is. There is the donut flicker. So that's how you turn the pizza or pie flicker into a donut flicker. So yeah, it looks pretty nice on this side. And alright, now I'm gonna show you how to fly it. Alright, so to fly this thing, you know the drill. It's just like an ordinary flicker. So I'm gonna hold it like this. I'm gonna flick on either one of these edges. So I'm holding it by the corner, and here goes. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Alright, hope you guys like this video, and make sure you subscribe, and I'll see you guys later. Alright, bye bye.